Hi, this is Tina's Tips. Today we're going to go over information overload. So here is a great blend for when you have all that information coming at you and you just don't know what to do, and sometimes it knocks up your stomach or gives you a frontal lobe headache. So it's called decisions. Basically, this is with the new Litzia. Litzia, you do 2 drops, lemon 2 drops, and juniper berry 2 drops. You can diffuse or apply topically. This is Desiree Manadog's latest recipe after she saw the Litzia this month. We also have a repeat, the Brain Gain. So the Brain Gain has the memory help, how to get more focus, the mood lifter, the stress less, the cooler heads prevail, and the worry less. Worrying less is a big part of our society today. So here's some diffuser blends from our Brain Gain. If you want to see more of our Tina's Tips, which are generally 3 to 5 minutes, or if you want to look at some of the Essential Me series, which is generally 20 to 30 minutes each, there's a lot of great information out there. Check us out on YouTube or go to Facebook and you'll find some more diffuser recipes and some other great information to help you use your oils safely and effectively. This is Tina's Tips. Thanks for joining us.